Welcome! If you want to link or unlink Google Assistant option from power button into your REALME X7 Max, need to go into settings. Next up, scroll down and find Convenience Tools option. Click it, and on the bottom we got to wake Google Assistant with power button. So now I'm got to turn off this option, sorry. Now click to turn on, and when we press and hold the power key for 0.5 seconds, Google Assistants are activated. If you want to turn off, click one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.